So the audio that you are currently hearing is directly from my laptop mic with the required audio editing done on it. So let's see how we can achieve a professional audio using this audio editing. So for that we are going to download Audacity. That is a free software. So I am going to click on this first button. This download is for Windows. After downloading the software, just double click on it to run, and it has started the extracting process. Just click on this install button. Now it is downloading Audacity, and just click on launch. In my case, I will click on disable UUID. Just check this box and click on OK. So here we are in the Audacity software. So in my case, I have a video that I recorded, and I will first extract audio from that video. So for that I am using Microsoft Clipchamp. I will click on create a new video. I will drag my imported media on the timeline. I will go to the audio section, click on detach audio. Now the audio is saved in my downloads folder. I go back to the Audacity software. I click on file, I click on open. Before that, I already converted my audio to .wav format. That is the supported file format in Audacity. So this is a small advice that before you start recording something, just leave a blank audio gap in starting of your video so that you can get the noise profile of your audio. So you just need to select the blank portion and go to effects, go to noise removal and repair, and click on noise reduction and select cat noise profile. By doing this, you get that noise sample from your audio that needs to be removed. Now then select all of your audio, then go to effect and follow the same steps, and this time just click on OK and do the same thing multiple times unless you see a very straight line on the empty areas of your audio. This was the first step. Now for the second step, you have to apply bass to your audio. Then first do Ctrl A in order to select your audio. Then go to effects, EQ and filters, filter curve EQ, go to preset and settings, factory presets, then click on bass boost and click on apply. Now you have applied bass to your audio in order to make your audio slightly heavier. Now in order to make your audio sharp, again select your audio, go to effects, EQ and filters, filter curve EQ, go to preset and settings, factory presets, travel boost, and click on apply. Now again go to effects and follow the same steps, and this time go to preset and settings, factory presets, and select low roll off for speech and click on apply. Now at last we will apply compressor. We will go to effects, volume and compression, select compressor and click on apply. One last thing is optional. You can go to effects, volume and compression and click on normalize and set this to 0.0 decibel. This is done if you have merged multiple audio recordings and want them to be at the same level, then you can select this value and click on apply. So now you are good to go, and you can go to files and export your audio and click on export to computer. From here you can select what file format you want and other settings. I will leave it to the default WAV format and click on export. So here I have the recorded audio, and you can just play a raw file and the edited file and notice the difference. So that was all for this video. Thanks for watching.